big hole, any hole.
So do we like fill in the hole?
I get probably asked about 10 times in the hallway, is the garden club this week?
Worms are on the roof. This is garden club. Does this look good?
It's just basically a group of 3rd and 4th graders that are interested in learning more about gardening, the environment.
I don't know. I'm so worried I'm gonna break something. It's okay if you break these bottom ones. We are cleaning up the garden by putting down new mulch, picking up leaves and trash, and planting new things.
Oh, hey, I got holes all around the bird bath.
I joined garden club because I think helping nature and outside is nice and it's pretty fun.
We put 3 to a hole.
Yeah, dirt all over.
My background is gardening. I've got a bachelor's in natural sciences and horticulture, so I did that for a lot of years before I became a special ed para. So just teaching kids about the environment, what they're in, and flowers, harvesting seeds, all that kind of stuff is just taking that lesson one step forward that a lot of them don't get to do because they're in apartments or whatever, so they enjoy it. Thank you very much. Okay. See, here's some of our stuff that we planted last year coming up.
We have a garden in the back of the school and we are painting the blocks so the garden looks more presentable.
Okay, so you guys ready to paint?
The bird bath, we're just painting it because it needed painted and just to make our garden look nice.
So you want to spread this out really good and all the way to the edge, guys, okay?
Okay. Garden club is just really fun.
It's super fun. I think garden club is a very important thing because it helps like nature. It's amazing. It's really fun and I enjoy doing it. I think it's amazing. It's really fun.
Makes your heart feel good. That's all I can say. It makes your heart feel good because these are great kids and they're excited every week.